Hey Franco, so how did you like the presentation today?
Phenomenal. Honestly, it really helped me understand what the idea is, and I haven't heard something smarter or better than this in a long time. I mean, it's exactly what is needed, especially for somebody like me who is a rookie novice trader. For it to do a lot of the work that I haven't really learned how to do myself yet, it's just amazing. I can't see a better value than this system right now.
What else would you like? What do you like about the presentation? What did you realize?
I really liked how the presenter Gene Dice was real honest, and it really didn't look like he had anything to hide because he was confident in his product and what it does. And I'm happy for him. He looks like he really stumbled did something really great for us.
Thank you about that. I appreciate it. But I meant like about the product, like the problem we're solving. Do you see that being a big issue, like the protection of the capital and saving time? Tell me more about it.
Of course. I mean, really minimizing loss is the big thing, which I've heard from a lot of different places. And, just that part of it alone is big, but it seems like it'll help you in multiple of ways and really show you the ins and outs of how to do things, through the system itself, too. I'd love to go through the entire training and really get to know more about it. So.
Thank you, Franco.
Enjoying your time is more important than anything else, so should move that a little bit higher up in the list of importances during that, though. But
got you, buddy.
Well, great job, and congratulations to you guys, man. Looking forward to becoming part and using the system and being successful like you guys.
Thank you, Franco. We appreciate it a lot.
Thank you.
Take care.